Create your first aircraft for use in the calendar and recording flights. Go to Aircraft in the menu. Select the plus sign to add. Enter the aircraft details, such as registration, serial number, hex code, and ICAO type designator. Color determines the color of the booking in the calendar. Available for booking checkbox enables bookings for all members. Change the units associated to the aircraft. It is advisable to use the unit specified in the POH. Once complete, click the tick in the top right corner to save the aircraft. This will return to the aircraft page. For basic subscription, an area is displayed with aircraft information.
For standard plan users, the aircraft setup page includes further requirements. Enter fuel rate and max fuel. This determines the maximum flight time in the flight entry log. To set up weight and balance, enter the center of gravity and the basic empty weight from the latest weigh report for your aircraft. Once entered, it will enable you to enter the envelope and loading information from the POH and/or weigh report. Add the limits for the envelope. These can be entered in any order. Forward and aft limits are entered using the lever arm and weight limit as per the POH. Again, it is advisable to enter these in the units associated to the aircraft. As the limits are entered, the graph is redrawn so that you can visibly verify the entry. Enter the variable loading stations. There is a default 4-seat configuration. Ensure that when entering the information it requires a fuel station. Enter the lever arm and the number of seats at that location. Also ensure that you enter any maximum weight if applicable to that station. Click the close icon in the top left. The aircraft is now configured for the weight and balance. Remember, if amending or changing these details, that you will need to save the aircraft. Flight data selects the required information for flight entry. When entering the flight log, these settings determine what information will be required on the form. Block time is the time of brakes off and brakes on. Flight time is the time from takeoff to landing and is always required. Hobs and tack from the aircraft. The choice of billing will change depending on this. Photo required allows upload of photo from the tack hobs for proof. Click the tick to save the details.